So welcome students. In this question, a given f of x is equal to cot inverse x plus x, and what is the increasing interval of this function? So to find the increasing interval of any function, we can use the concept of differentiation. So let us find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to the differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1. For this function to be increasing, f dash of x has to be greater than 0. This implies minus 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square should be greater than 0. So this minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. This implies x square by 1 plus x square is greater than 0. And as you can see, 1 plus x square is always positive, x square is also positive. X square is always positive, 1 plus x square is also always positive. Hence, f dash of x is always increasing. That is, it increases from minus infinity to plus infinity at all points. Thank you.